welcome back to my channel. I am Janine, the owner of TBOQ Crochet. In today's video, as you can tell, I am doing my second yarn haul, and the company I purchased from is Temu. Yes, that's right, Temu. This yarn is t-shirt yarn, so I will go over each color that I have. One company that I purchased from, they don't use colors, they actually use numbers. So I'll just give you the number and how many grams it is, and so forth and so on. So let's get started. So the first company that I purchased from, like I said, they don't give color names. They give numbers. So the first color is a T55. It's the olive color. You do get two skeins of it. Each skein is roughly about 290 grams because the two together, is a total of 580 grams. So that's what the description said when I was purchasing it and on my order details. So the next color is, it's a pumpkin or burnt orange color. It's more close to pumpkin. A burnt orange will be kind of darker than this. So I would say pumpkin. It's a nice fall color. The olive color is also a nice fall color. So, and they all come with two each. And that's what you want to actually look for when you're purchasing yarn on Temu. You want to look for, if you can get 2 or 3 skeins for for one price, because some companies actually sell, it is usually close, like one skein I seen was about $7, but then there's another company that sells 2 skeins for about $9-10. So you want to look for that where you can get more yarn for your money, and that's with t-shirt yarn, acrylic, cotton, what have you. You want to make sure that you get more for your money. That's with everything overall when you purchasing items. So the burnt orange is what I showed. Then this right here, it's close to a fuchsia color, and it is T45. I don't think I said the pumpkin color was T57. So T57 for this color, and then T45 for this pink color. And the next one is T26, and this is almost close to that dusty purple that I purchased from Lindy Hobby. So yeah, this is T26. Then we have a violet, is T08. T08 is the violet, and T02 is this ocean blue color. So pretty. And we have T11, this lime color, lime green. So I actually purchased these brighter colors because I didn't have those colors in my in my inventory of yarn, t-shirt yarn for my bags. I mostly had your navy, a coffee brown color, I have cream, I have white, I have black, gray, so I needed some lighter colors. Also, I wanted to share with you guys, when I purchased my last haul with the t-shirt yarn from Temu, I experienced where the order and the description said that I would receive 2 skeins of the yarn. It was a navy yarn. I only received 1 skein. So I had to contact Temu, let them know, hey, look, the description said 2 skeins. I only received 1. And the package that I received it in, it looked like it would hold 2 skeins, just like these packages did. So that was my experience when I purchased them. So just be careful and know what you're purchasing from them, and know, you know, what you're supposed to be getting, so that you can make sure that you know, Temu, they actually refunded my money, not for 1 skein. They refunded my money for 2 skeins. So that was good, and I was able to keep the 1. So that was, you know, that was really good. So the second company that I purchased from, they use numbers and colors. The skeins are 200 grams, and you get 2 skeins. So the first color is 101 yellow, number 18 violet, number 16 wine, number 19 light purple, number 17 bright purple, number 14 rusty red, number 13 dark red, number 12 red, number 10 orange yellow, number 9 orange red, number 8 rose red, and number 7 rose pink. So that is all from the second company. Overall, my experience with Temu has been great. That is my second yarn haul from Temu. The first one, I didn't record anything. I wasn't actually on YouTube at the time. I do, you know, record my content a little more now that I'm on YouTube. So that is my experience. I love this yarn. I love working with this yarn. It's really soft. This will be probably my last t-shirt haul for a while, just because I am stocked up on t-shirt yarn. So yeah, my overall experience with Temu has been great. When it comes down to ordering t-shirt yarn, I have not ordered acrylic or cotton or any other types of yarn from Temu, so I don't know that experience, what it's like, should I say. So yeah, if you have experienced, had a good experience or a bad experience with Temu, just drop a comment. If you like what you have seen in this video, drop a comment. Like the video, share it. If you have subscribed, I thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed and you like what you're seeing, go ahead on and click the subscribe button. Also click the bell notification so that you can be notified of any and all videos that I upload. That's it for this video, guys. I see you in the next one. Bye.